Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about what is record snapshot in prompt templates. Let me just create a new prompt template before explaining the record snapshot. So from this setup we can just search for prompt builder and I can just create a new prompt template. Like for this case, let me just select this record summary prompt template type and let me just summarize the opportunity record this time and opportunity record snapshot demo, and in the object type I'll be selecting the opportunity object and I'll be just clicking on next. So from the insert resource we can just find the record snapshot. So from the on clicking on this insert resource and under the opportunity object we can find this record snapshot, and if I just click on this help text it will says that select data available on the running users page layout. So it's basically uses the running users page layout to find all the related fields for the object. For grounding, it includes a limited set of details, lookups, and related lists and their records for the object. So basically, a record snapshot is like way to capture and provide a specific records data at a given moment to a large language model by grounding the prompt with real-time or historical information. And there are like certain limitations are there as well for the record snapshot, so those limitations I'll be discussing in this video at a later point. So let me just demonstrate a little bit like this record snapshot, and on clicking on this record snapshot we can just able to insert the resource, and based on this snapshot we can what we can do, like we can just get a overview of the opportunity record information, and using this snapshot we can just summarize the opportunity record as well. So what are the specific what are the specific features of this record snapshot? So record snapshot captures the state of a record at a specific point in time, making it ideal for historical analysis or tracking changes. And we can when building a prompt template you can add a record snapshot as a resource. That is how we can just add a record snapshot as a resource. As like other fields we can use other fields as well, as like other fields we can just insert this record snapshot as a resource. And grounding with data, like snapshot provides the LLM with the data from users page layout and some related fields and records for chosen object. Contextual AI, like this grounding ensures the AI receives relevant contextual data, allowing it to generate accurate and helpful responses directly related to a specific record. So now I'll be just demonstrate like how we can just use this record snapshot by. So I'll be just writing the quick prompt like by using this record snapshot summarize the opportunity record. So I'll be just using this one, and let me just quickly save this prompt, and we can just preview this prompt by, let me just copy this opportunity name. We can just find the summarization of the opportunity by searching for this record, and I'll be using this opportunity record, and let me just preview this one. And we can see that in here we are getting this generated response, and in the summarization we can see different fields are there, like the opportunity record for American Banking Corp includes the following key details. So these are the field level values are there, like record ID, account name, then close date or amount. So these are the key field values, and there is a summarization is also available. The record is also contains related products and contact roles. Notable products includes price as USD 1 lakh and USD 75,000. Contact roles includes an evaluator and an economic buyer with details about the titles and email. The stage history indicates multiple previous stages, primarily within the negotiation or review phase. There are currently no open tasks or future events associated with this opportunity. This summary provides a comprehensive overview of the opportunity for your consideration. And if I just show you this JSON, we can see that we can in the prompt level grounding, we can see that this JSON got generated. Like we can see the record ID, entity type, opportunity, and these are the record level fields like a name, account, close date, amount, owner. So these are the opportunity fields are there. And if we can just see, like related records are also getting grounded. Like it's also taking the related products. Like for this opportunity, like there are three products are available. So it's taking the related fields, related records as well, like products. And under the products, we can see different. These are the product details are available for each product, this opportunity having like opportunity line items specifically. And we are just in here the related contact roles are also getting rounded. Like we can see there are two contact roles records are there. That is why we can see these are the two records are showing as a contact roles. And also it's taking the stage history as well, and activities, tasks, emails, events, tasks, emails. Since there are no activities for this opportunity, that's why we can't see any records for them. So this is how record snapshot works specifically, and it takes related records as well for a opportunity record. And if I just show you the considerations and limitations, like consider these points with grounding your prompts with record snapshots. So basically, dynamic forms are not supported for the record snapshots. So dynamic forms are like I have already created tutorials like how to use, how to upgrade to dynamic forms from the page layouts, like traditional page layouts. So I'll be adding that tutorial link in this video description. So basically, dynamic forms are not supported currently in record snapshots. However, the dynamic forms, if the dynamic forms are activated for an object used by a record snapshot, the underlying page layout is still used. So there is a backend structure like page layout always will be used, right? So this is the first point of limitations. Then prompt builder restricts the quality of data received from each source to avoid overflowing and the overflowing the prompt token limits. It's limit the quality of data received from each source. So yeah, to overflowing the token limits to consider. So there is a specific token limit. That's why it's just restricts the quality of data. So this is the like second point. And empty data like fields without value, sections without limits, and so on are filtered out. And final one is like prompt builder imposes these limitations on each data source with used with record snapshots. Like page layout, none for the number of the fields returned. Compact layouts, none of the number of the fields returned. Related list, like there are like first six related lists from the page layout are used. And what are the related lists? So these are the related list. So if there are multiple related list above six, so first six, like for this case, like products, contact rules, so these partners, stage history, so these first six related list will be considered, right? And up to five records are used per related list. So if there are like more than five products for the related products in the opportunity, so first five products or first five records will be considered as per the record snapshot grounding. So then a task like the next five upcoming tasks are used based on the created date, or tasks are selected based on the activity date, ascending order, priority, descending order, and modified date descending order. And events, there are also limitations like the next five upcoming events are used. Events are selected based on start date, ascending order. And the final one, emails, the five most recent emails are used. So in here we can see that since there were no records for the emails activities, that is why not we are not able to see. But if their records are there for events or tasks or emails, we can see that five most recent emails will be used in that case, right? So this is how we can just use record snapshot to get a overview of the any record in the Salesforce. So this will be very useful for summarization of a record that I just demonstrated. So this is how we can just simply use this record snapshot. I'll be adding more tutorials on Salesforce and Omni Studio topics. And if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.